Varis Pathan, is this okay? Let me bring in Varis Pathan also. Varis Pathan, can this be allowed? Why should MLAs be giving open threats in the first place? If the police is acting as per the law, let them take law. But why do you need to come out and threaten any actor? Talk about where he comes from, what his contribution is. I mean, these are also below the belt remarks.
Well, threats and vandalism of any kind is condemnable. We don't indulge in violence. And whosoever is committing a threat or who's trying to vandalize Allu Arjun's flat, there is SFIR is registered against them, and the police will investigate and take due process of law will follow. But here, let me remind you, Madhav, law is equal for everybody, whether he is a journalist, a politician, or a big film star or a common man. You have to follow the law laid down by. So you have to follow it. Now what Allu Arjun did was, and our party leader Akbaruddin Owaisi on the floor of the assembly has said so, that he, while knowing that a woman has collapsed and some stampede has taken place outside the theatre while he was watching the film, when he came to know about that, he said, okay, ab to meri film hit ho jayegi. This Akbar Owaisi said, two sources he came to know this. So what is the sensitiveness? Insensitiveness shown by him. He should have immediately left the theatre, come out and taken the situation under control. See, we also go for public rallies. Our leaders go for rallies. Thousands of people, they gather around us. But we ensure the safety of the people who have gathered. And let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever seen Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan ever attending their screening in the theatre on the first day of the release of their picture? Hit movies, but nobody goes there, very well knowing that if he goes there, fans will accumulate.
Sir, that's a very poor example, Mr. Varis Pathan, because the Rais screening in Gujarat actually led to a stampede. There was a death there also, Varis Pathan. I think you're a little short on facts today. I'm sorry, there is actually a screening of Rais where Shah Rukh Khan attended, and a similar situation happened.
I know the facts. Was it on the first day of the release?
How does it matter if a person has died? Are you going to ask, does it matter the person died on the first day or the 10th day?
Was he watching the movie on the very first day when
whether it is the first day or 10th day, if the crowd was out of control, the actors have to be responsible, sir. That is the point being made.
Permission was granted that time. Permission was given. Here no permission was given. You listen to the police version. The police says that their management has applied to us, that no permission was given to
and the management says that we had written to them several days before. NV Subhash.
The bouncer arrested.
Okay, NV Subhash.
What happened good is that after Akbar Owaisi raised the issue in the assembly, yesterday the producers of the movie went there to the house of the deceased and they handed over a check of 50 lakh to the husband.
Okay.
See, this is what happens when you raise the issue before the public.
Okay, MIM raised the issue and therefore the producers have handed a check to the family of the deceased. I want NV Subhash to respond to that. NV Subhash, please respond to the spokesperson of MIM.
And when it is in subjudice, how come a elected member and the chief minister of the state on the floor of the house, they talk about 2 to 3 hours about Allu Arjun? Madhav, what we can see, the Bharatiya Janata Party first, the condemns people going and then vandalism and then stone building on Allu Arjun's house or on any other person, because children will be there, women will be there, and elders will be there. It is not appropriate. The second thing is, Revanth Reddy's government is selectively targeting and then witch hunting the film fraternity, the business people, the builders, and other people in the state just for making some arm twisting tactics so that they will be in the line. As far as 1 year is concerned about the Revanth Reddy's government, no one is really seriously taking about Revanth Reddy and the Congress party, because there are so many issues which are the pending, which people are not really liking it. All the false promises now has been never come to reality, and then no one is really taking about serious. So Revanth Reddy one by one targeting people so that he knows he wanted them to be making a line in front of house so that he will have his own dictum. The second thing is what the political analyst was talking about, the film which has some objectionable scenes. Definitely, if there is objectionable scenes, the movie should be banned. Like many the movies, the Kashmiri Files.
But that's not the point. The point is not that. The content of the movie is not even the point of contention here. We have a police case. We have all sorts of politics taking place. And at the end of the day, Varis Pathan, is this some kind of deliberate targeting? Because this is a witch hunt. It's a state-sponsored attack is what the BRS and the BJP have said as far as the Congress leaders who attacked Allu Arjun's house is concerned.
Well, Allu Arjun has to follow the law. Every person is equal in the eyes of the law. A woman has lost her life. Her child is in the hospital. How can you say that special treatment should be given to an individual? So whatever the
how
police
does
is
that
doing
justify
investigation,
vandalism at
Allu
his
Arjun
house?
should follow it. If they give them notice, he is
No
duty
one's saying
bound to
that.
appear
But how
before
can
the
that
cop
justify
and-
vandalism by political activists
just
of a
have to
particular
be
political
investigation.
party? And it can be any political party. It's not just about it being the
No.
Congress party.
I said in my initial comments, in my initial comments, I said that vandalism of any kind is condemnable. I condemn vandalism which took place at Allu Arjun's place, and whosoever has committed the vandalism, FIR is registered against them, and let the law of the land take its own course. Police will deal with them accordingly. But also threats. I condemn threats also which are issued. We don't support violence. But a question here is a woman has lost her life. Why? Because some negligence of few people, like
Okay.
Allu Arjun's management team or probably Allu Arjun's personal thing. They should not have visited a theatre very well knowing that a stampede situation might arise because the fans are there.
Well, the charge of the
First day
police
the
is that
movie
it is
there.
his
And
team
after
and
knowing
his
that the
team
movie is
management, the
died-
security bouncers, etc., are the ones responsible for it. Allu Arjun's side is that the police are responsible. Whoever is responsible, justice has to be done. But the kind of politics that's being played out on this certainly is raising some very serious questions. NV Subhash, Ravula Sridhar Reddy, Varis Patan, Pankaj Sharma, thanks so much for joining us.